Good afternoon, Internet. I am done with my workday. It's about 4:45 in the afternoon. I am going to shortly be heading up to Sam's house. We're going to be workshopping a couple of ideas together, and then after that, once everyone gets to the apartment, we're going to play some more D&D. This is day 10 of Vlogmas. What happened to day 9? I don't know. You should tweet him. Sorry, Sean Plot. If you understood that reference and you watched day 9, you and I could be friends. Basically, I ended up going over to Sam's house, and like I said yesterday, we workshopped a couple of ideas. We're coming up with sort of a vague idea for a web series that we might put on YouTube. He introduced me to a project that he might want to kickstart sometime in the future. So that'll be super cool. I'm hoping we can actually get that one off the ground because it sounds like a really cool idea. I don't really have anything planned for after work today, I don't think. I still haven't put together those computer parts that came in last week, so I might do that. Alright, let's do a Newegg unboxing video, I guess. So we have a tiny box. That's probably my hybrid solid-state hard drive. Here is my new i5 processor. What is this? Did they just throw in like a thing? Is Intel doing some sort of promotional thing? They gave me a gift! So this is the new PSU. This is a 750. Oh, the paste. Right, I need paste. Oh, wait, there it is. That's the thermal paste. Thank you, Newegg. That is absolutely wonderful packaging. Alright, let's open up the itty bitty box. I love this bubble wrap that they always put the hard drives in. It's just so cool. And like the top pops off like that. I was curious about the Intel gift that they threw in. So it is a box, it has some art, it has a chip on it, it says dominate anywhere, and it's the same on both sides. So it does look like cards. No way! They're actually Intel playing cards. Look at these. Well, that's so funny. Wait, I should hold them right side up. I think it's the same characters for each of the suits. That dude again, that chick again. Yeah, I think it's the same artwork. And then all the aces say Intel, and then the jokers are skulls! Anyway, Intel, if you're watching this, thank you, that was very cool. Or, I guess Newegg. Whichever one of you guys put that together or like thought that was a good promotional thing. That's super cute, I appreciate it. Boom. And that's like it. Hard drive is installed. There we go. I have it partitioned into 2 parts that are 2 terabytes each, and I'm gonna back it up. Oh yeah. So it's been about an hour since I started formatting the new hard drive, and it's not quite halfway done. Alright, it's been another hour, and now it's about 2/3 done. About 9:15? Yeah, 9:15. So it's been another hour, and the formatting still isn't done on the new hard drive for the first half. So this is for the first 2 terabytes, the first partition. So close. Excellent. So it's just after 10:30, and the cloning process is able to occur now. I wasn't able to format the second partition that was created. I will have to look into that later. So my high for today is being able to work on my computer you know, those computer parts were sitting in a box for a week in my room, and so I finally got around to at least putting in the hard drive. I'm trying to think of a low. My room is getting kind of messy, so I should probably take some time on Sunday to clean it up a bit. Especially with the holidays coming up, you know, presents are going to get strewn about otherwise, so maybe I should look into being proactive about that. Anyway, that's all for today. Today is December 10th. I will see you guys in the next one.